Hello friends, now we are come again with a new video in our channel for Excel basics. So last time we told you about sorting function and the filters. Now we will discuss about the validation. So validation is something you restricted the particular cell to be input your data. So data validation is to get only the specific result on a particular cells. So if I want to use so here if I want the city name and I want it to be, so I have selected the data. So here we have a list of city. So in this list of city we have name of multiple cities like Delhi, Noida, Ghaziabad, and Agra, Mathura, Bareilly, and lots of others. So, for example, we take only this list of cities, and I want only this particular cities on this city name. I don't want anyone to, if I want the sheet to be updated by multiple person, and I want them to write only this city name of cities in this particular city name and with the same format. So I'll use the data validation for this. So how we'll use the data validation? So first we'll select the cells where we want to be use or apply data validation. Then we go to data tab, then go to data validation. So here we have multiple options. So if you want, so right now if it is open, you can write any value, number, text, anything in any format. So if I mention it, allow only a list. Which list? I'll give it a range. So source is this and click on OK. Now let's try. If I'll write here as Greater Noida, it not allowing me to write Greater Noida in this because this value doesn't match to the data validation restriction. So we have applied a restriction in this particular cell. So what we can write? So instead of writing, we can see from this drop down button also. So if I need to select Noida, we can select Noida, or if we directly want to write, we can write it Noida. So you can only able to write which is available in the list. So this we have mentioned over here also. So select one or more cells where you want to apply the data validation. Then on a data tab, in a data tool group, you will get a data validation option. And then I have shown you the entire option how you can apply it. So there are more types of data. So this is a validation which is the simplest thing that I've told you, which is using data validation with the reference of a list which is given on a particular list. I have given that reference, and now we have restricted with this but given list only. If we want to do a validation with the whole numbers, we can do this also. So we can select whole number, So if I'll again select the data and then click on data validation and whole numbers, you can see it, whole number, then you can give it a between data, so minimum and maximum. So data, so now if we do this, so in this data, in this feature, cell will allow us to write only a number between 0 to 20, not more than 20, not less than 0, which means point on point or negative values. It will allow us to write only the numbers, not the text even also. If we give it a decimal, then you can use it 0.1 to 1. Then it allow you to write only the decimal values, not only the no other values, which is 2, 3, 4, anyone. So we have given a maximum of 1. And so other validations are dates. You can give allow it a date between today or plus 3 days. So same way you can write, give it a time option also in the validation. You can allow a text length also. So anything which you can write, it could be a 10 digits. You cannot be a more than 10 values of it. If you want to do a custom, if a formula you want to apply, you can use the formula. So these are the function that you can use in a data validation. So this is not only for the particular list. So list is the easiest option. You can write anything on a particular column and give a reference of a particular list. Then it will allow that list only. You customize it, you modify it every time. So it will get replicated here. So if I'll remove Bareilly from here and write, for example, I write Vasantara. I've changed it. I have not gone to data validation anywhere else. I just go here and you can see Vasundhara option is visible. So friend, this is data validation, which is used to restrict your cell to write only the provided things. You cannot write anything of your choice on that particular cells. Okay. And now the next thing is the paste special. So these are the features that we can use while copying and paste. So copy paste is a very easiest function. You can use it. So for example, if I need to copy and paste, so I'll do control C, select data, control C and paste. So what it will do, it will copy and paste the data along with its formatting. So for example, December month is on a yellow, October month is on a blue, November is on green, and September is on gray. And this is a bold. So this is a colorful data right now with the formatting. If I simply control C and do a control V, so it will copy and paste the entire data with the formatting. What if I don't want the formatting? I just want the numbers to be pasted or copied from a particular cell. So we can use the paste special. So paste special is if we have copied it. Now press right key, then paste special, it will open the dialog box. This in this option you can select what you want to be pasted from the copied cell. If you want to paste only the formula, if you just want to paste the values, you want the format, you want comment, you want validation, anything which you want. So you can paste it over here. So for example, we just want the values and paste it. So it pasted the value on this particular cell. So this is a date format. So date is written on a date format over here. That's why it is written as like January, December, November. But now in this, it's a just a value. So we need to format again it on a month value. To format it on a date, you can just go from here and short date. So it will come on a date format over here. If you want this, now you want the format also. Format we have selected here. We want just the format of this copied cell from here. Click here. We get the format also. So what you want to copy and paste, if you want to copy and paste the entire thing along with the format, you just do Control C for the copy and Control V for the paste. If you want just a value, format, formula, anything specific from the copied cell, then use paste special. And I'll tell you one more thing. If it is written month on a column L and M on a column M, if I want to write M on row, month on a row, month, December, November, October, September, and sale in a next row, and below their month name. So what I have to do, if I have to do it, so if I want this in a column thing in a row or a row thing in a column, so we have to do it manually, or we can use the paste special also. So right click, select the cell where you want to paste the data, right click and go to paste special. Same thing, what you want to paste, formula, value, format. I want to paste everything with the format also, along with the format and the values I want to be pasted, but it needs, instead of column, I want to be pasted it in a row. So then I need to select, along with all, I need to select transpose and then click OK. See, it has been done. Month, December, November, October, September, and sale, below every month, their sale is written there. So this is a use of paste special, and these are the shortcut keys of a keyboard shortcut keys for using the paste values, paste values as all source and data, there's formula and number, values. So these are the shortcuts. So all source data is alt ESA, so you can use this functions. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching our video, friends. If you like it, please subscribe our channel and share your feedback on a comment so that we can improve our quality of our video. Thank you very much.